Let's be honest. Budgeting has a bad reputation. Most people think it's boring, complicated, or too restrictive. But here's the truth. A budget isn't about punishment. It's about freedom. Freedom from stress. Freedom from wondering where your money went. Freedom to actually use your money in ways that matter to you. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a simple budget that actually works, even if you've never been good with money before. No complicated spreadsheets, no financial jargon, just an easy practical plan you can start today. Most budgets fail because they're too complicated or too strict. If you have to track every penny, it becomes overwhelming. The secret to success is keeping things simple and flexible. Think of your budget as a guide, not a prison. The goal isn't perfection, it's awareness and progress. First, you need to know where you stand. Grab a piece of paper or open your notes app. Keep it simple. Write down your income. What's coming in each month? Your fixed expenses, things you must pay like rent, utilities, groceries, transportation. Your debt payments like credit cards, loans, or lines of credit. This step might feel scary, but trust me, you can't take control of your money if you don't face it honestly. Here's where we keep things super simple. Instead of 100 little categories, you only need 3 main ones. Essentials. Bills, groceries, housing, transportation goals, savings, debt payoff, investments, fun dining out, hobbies, entertainment. Every dollar you earn goes into one of these 3. That's it. This makes it so much easier to stick with because you're not overcomplicating things. Plus, you still have room for fun, so you don't feel deprived. Now, let's decide how much of your income goes into each category. A good starting point is 50% essentials. Half your income goes to living expenses, 30% goals, savings and debt repayment, 20% fun, guilt-free spending. Of course, this can be adjusted depending on your situation. The key is to start with a plan, then tweak it as you go. Finally, you need a way to track your spending. But keep it simple. Here are 2 easy options. Pen and paper. Just write down what you spend at the end of each day. Budgeting app, something like Mint or YNAB if you prefer digital tracking. The goal isn't to track every penny forever. It's to stay aware of where your money is going so you can make better choices. Here's the most important part. Don't expect perfection. Some months will be messy, and that's okay. Your budget should work for you, not against you. Think of it as a tool to help you live intentionally and align your money with what truly matters. Budgeting doesn't have to be complicated or stressful. With just 3 simple steps, knowing your numbers, setting 3 categories, and tracking simply, you can finally take control of your money. Start small, keep it simple, and watch your financial confidence grow.